So Zippy Toss just sent us these really cool dinosaur eggs. It comes with 12 dinosaur eggs in the pack. They're all individually wrapped, so it actually makes it really cool with Easter time coming up. You can go ahead and stick these in their Easter baskets. It'd be really cool for kids. It comes with 12 different cards that are gonna explain a little bit of information about each of the dinosaur toys that they're gonna find inside of the eggs. So my kids are always being a little bit destructive, getting into things, and these eggs right here are perfect to put their destruction and make it a little bit more constructive. So I love that they can go ahead and smash them up, because what kid doesn't want? My kids are always wanting to just smash different things with a hammer outside, and this here makes it nice and fun, and they get a little prize whenever they get the dinosaur in the middle. So these actually keep my kids busy. They will go through and smash all 12 of these eggs at once if I give it to them. That's how much fun they are. And it's really nice too that you can go ahead, and if they are having a little hard time, like we like to use a hammer with them. It does come with a brush and a little like pick on the end of the brush, but you can actually put these in water, which makes it really nice too. So you can use any kind of bucket, dump truck, anything like that. So like I said, they are individually wrapped, which is really nice too. And that way nothing gets like scraped up. None of the dust or anything like that gets anywhere until the kids are smashing them up. You have your little picks with the brushes here. These are really nice. And I love how they give you multiples of them. So if you are having like a party or something like that and you're having multiple kids there, everyone can have a little brush, a little stick, or if your kid loses them like mine do sometimes, you have extras here. The cards are really nice. It's like a nice thick material. So these are actually really nice to go ahead and keep. You can go ahead and learn a little bit about the dinosaurs. They have like the height of the dinosaur compared to a human. Really cool cards here. So it also has instructions here on how to go ahead and prepare your workspace, prepare your eggs in order to have a fun time crushing them. So it does recommend that you soak the eggs in water for about 5 minutes. We like to do maybe like a minute, 2 minute tops. It does 5 minutes tend to make it like a little too easy for my kids, and it didn't last that long. They went through the eggs really fast. So if you do it for about a minute, it doesn't have as much dust kicking up from it, and it just makes it so much fun for the kids because they get to use water too. And what kid doesn't like to use water and make a mess with it? So overall, this kit is really fun. It's great for birthday parties. There's plenty of eggs in here for your kids to have fun with. It's great for if you're doing like a reward system too. You can go ahead and hand out 1 egg at a time. My kids love these. These are definitely going in their Easter baskets this year instead of regular eggs. So if you're looking for a really fun activity for your kids to do that's a little bit destructive, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.